Hey everybody, this is Frank Rositas, and those of you who know me, which are probably very few, but those of you who know me know that I went to SDI and pursued a associate's in gunsmithing. A while back, I had an injury and kind of took me out of the regular workforce. I'm making a slow recovery, and I'm doing pretty well. Getting involved in more things, trying to get more physical. But with all that aside, I completed the program in February, and I got my graduation pack today. So I wanted to open it. Teaser, not teaser, but I did open the box and I did pull the paper out, but I didn't open anything else. So. But I wanted to share that with you and see what I got in my grad box from SD. Hopefully nothing's like really embarrassing in here. All right. So my first box, I've got a patch. It's got the backing and everything on here. But a patch for SDI. It says graduate. That's pretty cool. Little vinyl patches. I got a couple stickers. Oh, one's a magnet. That's cool. And one's a sticker. So guess what? Magnet. Oh yeah, there you go. Place for the magnet. And I got a nice pin. SDI Graduate. And a really nice tumbler. SDI Graduate on it. So that way every time I have my coffee, showing off that I'm a SDI grad. So thank you for that. And then of course we get class of 2026 fall commencement. Save the date. My actual commencement will be on September 26th, a Saturday, 11 a.m. Arizona time. So that is the day that I'll be doing my graduation. We have an exclusive online watch room. Family and friends can also join the SDI YouTube page for the live broadcast. I'll post that. If you guys want to see me and congratulate me in person, that would be awesome. That'd be cool, pretty cool. So there's that. Next, snap frame signed silver. So I take it this is the frame for the yeah, so this is the frame they sent for our diploma, which is right in here. Make sure there's not a $100 bill or something in there, just in case, right? And here, I'll read this. Sonoran Desert Institute hereby confers upon Frankie J. Rositas, and they actually spelled my last name right, good, Associate Science in Firearms Technology, together with all rights, privileges, and honors thereunto belonging in consideration. God, the font is really hard to read. Consideration of the satisfactory fulfillment of the requirements prescribed by the faculty this 22nd day of February 2026. In testimony whereof this diploma signed by the authorized officers of the Institute and by the registrar at Tempe, Arizona. So, signed, little stamp, little certificate. And that is my certificate, my grad certificate, which I'll go ahead and place in my frame later on. But that is my little grad pack I got from SDI. Again, fall commencement. I will post the information online if, like I said, you may not know me, but I'm a fun guy. I like to have fun, like to joke around. So if you want to come and join me and see me graduate, because now I'm educated. That'd be cool. All right. So thanks for watching. Talk to you later.